Hey everyone, it's Chris. A few months ago, I tried my luck at Ultra Brakes and I made out pretty well. So I figured I'd try VaultBox too. So this is my VaultBox. Just arrived. So let's see if my luck continues. Alright, let's see. Open this. Alright, so there's my little box for the Horizon 2025. Contains one VaultBox slab. So let's see what we have here. I'd be shocked if I got something good. It'd be nice if I just broke even because this wasn't cheap. So let's see what we get here. It's a tight box. Here we go. All right. There we have, let's see, hoping for a red core, hoping for a red core. It's a red core. Oh boy. Oh boy. That is making my heart race a bit. Alright, what did I get? A 1937D nickel. MS67. Oh, wow. I need to take my glasses off for this. Wow, that is pretty awesome. I don't know if it's worth the money I've put into this, but that's pretty awesome. I'm gonna have to look this up. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. All right, I am pretty ecstatic, really. This is pretty cool. I'm very happy with this. All right, thanks a lot. Bye.